Did you know a power outage can last from a few minutes to even weeks, depending on the severity? That's longer than a vacation. Power outages are more than just inconvenient, they can be downright disruptive. That's why it's so important to be prepared. We're going to delve into the top 10 items that are absolutely essential to have on hand during a power outage. Everything from tools to keep you connected to necessities for basic survival. So what are these 10 must-have items? Stay tuned to find out. Imagine trying to find your way in the dark like playing hide-and-seek with your own belongings. That's where flashlights and batteries come in. These are your shoes in the darkness. They guide you, prevent you from stumbling, and illuminate your path. Just as you wouldn't dare to walk on a stony path barefoot, you should never face a power outage without a dependable flashlight and a generous supply of batteries. So, just as you wouldn't go out barefoot, don't stay in the dark during a power outage. Think of a battery-powered radio as your personal news deliverer when your phone can't do the job. In times of power outages, staying informed is crucial. This is where a battery-powered radio steps in. It's like your morning newspaper, tirelessly bringing you updates about the situation outside your cozy blanket fort. It'll keep you in the loop about weather conditions, emergency services, and when you might expect power to return. Just like you need your morning news, you need your battery-powered radio during a power outage. A first aid kit, your home's very own mini hospital. Imagine during a power outage, someone in your home gets a minor injury. Without lights, accidents can happen. That's where a first aid kit comes into play. It's packed with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, and more. Think of it as your fire extinguisher. You might not use it every day, but when you need it, you're glad it's there. Just like a fire extinguisher, a first aid kit is a must-have during a power outage. Now, before we continue, we'd like to take a moment to remind you, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And if you want more helpful prepping ideas like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. We're here to help you be prepared for anything, and your support helps us keep the lights on, even during a power outage. Now let's get back to the list. Ever thought of your pantry as a mini grocery store? Well, during a power outage it will be. It's like packing for a long road trip where convenience stores are miles away and you can't stop for a quick bite whenever you feel like it. During a power outage, you'll need a good supply of non-perishable food and plenty of water. Think canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, and energy bars. These items can stay fresh for a long time without refrigeration. As for water, the golden rule is 1 gallon per person per day for both drinking and sanitation needs. Remember, in a power outage, your refrigerator becomes a ticking time bomb, and you don't want to rely on it for your food supply. That's why non-perishable food and water are essential. So before the lights go out, prepare. Turn your pantry into a haven of sustenance. Fill it with variety so you can still enjoy your meals even when the power's out. So stock your pantry like you would for a long road trip. Blankets, your personal heaters during a power outage. Just as a sweater is a moviegoer's best friend, a blanket is your ticket to warmth and comfort when the power's out. You see, maintaining body heat is crucial during outages, especially in colder climates. Blankets act as insulators, trapping your body heat and preventing it from escaping into the chilly environment. They are portable, versatile, and require no electricity, a perfect companion in a power outage. So, keep those blankets handy, you never know when you might need them. Cash and important documents, your passport to the outside world during a power outage. Picture this. In a blackout, card transactions may fail, ATMs may not be operational. Cash becomes king. Similarly, important documents like identification, insurance policies, and medical records are your lifeline in emergency situations. Consider them akin to your phone and keys when you step outside. They're the essentials you wouldn't want to be without. Just like you wouldn't leave your house without your phone and keys, don't face a power outage without cash and important documents. Portable chargers, your lifeline for your devices during a power outage. Imagine being in a car without a spare tire. Not a great idea, right? Similarly, during a power outage, portable chargers are your device's spare tire. They ensure that you're not left in the dark, literally and figuratively. Your mobile phones, tablets, and other essential devices can stay powered up, keeping you connected, informed, and entertained during the outage. So just like you should always have a spare tire, always have a portable charger during a power outage. Before we dive into our last must-have item, let's take a quick breather. If you found the information in this video helpful so far, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Liking this video helps us reach more people and spread the word about essential power outage prep. And if you haven't already, do consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly upload content on a variety of topics that you wouldn't want to miss. Plus, your support really helps us out. Alright, let's get back to our list and unveil the final must-have item for power outage preparation. Stay tuned. A manual can opener, your key to your pantry during a power outage. This humble kitchen tool, often overlooked, takes center stage when the lights go out. Imagine having a stash of canned food but no way to access it. Frustrating, isn't it? A manual can opener is like that indispensable bottle opener that you reach for when you need to uncork a bottle of wine. Small yet crucial. So don't forget to add this little hero to your power outage prep list. Just like you need a bottle opener to open a bottle, you need a manual can opener during a power outage. And there you have it, the 10 must-have items during a power outage. Let's do a quick recap. Flashlights and batteries for those pitch-black nights. A battery-powered radio to keep you connected to the outside world. A first aid kit, because accidents don't take a break during power outages. Non-perishable food and water, ensuring you don't go hungry or thirsty. Blankets to keep you warm when the heating system is down. Cash and important documents because digital access might not be available. Portable chargers to keep your essential devices running, and a manual can opener because that canned food won't open itself. Each item plays a crucial role in ensuring you stay safe, connected, and comfortable during a power outage. Having these items on hand can truly make a difference between a minor inconvenience and a major ordeal. Now, we're curious to know which item surprised you the most, or perhaps you have a power outage story you'd like to share. Let us know in the comments below.